Hello all. Today we will discuss about work, time and wages. We will be using the same formula, speed equal to distance by time. As already said in my last video, in normal speed problems, speed, distance and time all will be evident. So here let's say A is the person who is doing the job at the rate A. So W is the work done, which is going to be 1, which means 100% of the work, and T is the time taken to complete the work. So now let's see the corresponding terms. A, which is the rate of work done, which is equal to speed. W, the work done, is equal to distance. However, W is 1 and T is going to be the time. Substituting into the formula, we will get A equal to W by T. So we know W is 1, so which is 100% of the work. Therefore, A equal to 1 by T. Let's solve a problem. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20. If they work together for 4 days, then the fraction of work left is. So we have to calculate the portion of work which is left after 4 days. So we know A can do a work in 15 days and B can do it in 20 days. So let's assume it's taking n days to complete the work together by A and B. So let's say the work completed in 4 days is W. So we know A is equal to 1 by 15, B equal to 1 by 20. So for 4 days, the work completed is W. So A plus B equal to W by 4. So now substituting the value for A and B, 1 by 15 and 1 by 20. So solving this, we will get W. So W is the work done in 4 days. And so let's solve it. 4 by 5 into 4 plus 3 7 by 12. Cancelling 4 and 12 means 3. So which gives 7 by 15. So the work completed in 4 days is 7 by 15. So the work left is equal to total work done minus the work done in 4 days, which is W. We know the total work is 1. So 1 minus W, which is 7 by 15. So solving this will give the work left, which is 8 by 15. If you are not able to understand, no problem. Please watch again. So A is thrice as good workman as B, therefore able to finish the job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in. We have two data here. A can do 3 times of the work in the given time as B and can do the same work in 60 days less than B. So let's see how to solve this. Given that A is 3 times faster than B, so which means A took less time to complete the work. So if B took n days to complete the work, A can do the same work in n by 3 days. Which means B equal to 1 by n, A equal to 1 by n by 3, which is 3 by n. We also know A took n minus 60 days to complete the same work as B. Which means B equal to 1 by n, A equal to 1 by n minus 60. We know already A equal to 3 by n. So which means 3 by n equal to 1 by n minus 60. Solving this will give n. 3n minus 180 equal to n. So 3n minus n equal to 180, which is 2n equal to 180, which means n equal to 90. So therefore we will get b equal to 1 by 90, a equal to 1 by 90 minus 60, which is 1 by 30. Total work done together is a plus b, which is equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 90. 1 by 30 is common, so 1 by 30 into 1 plus 1 by 3. Solving this equation, 1 by 30 into 4 by 3, which is 4 by 90. We know a plus b is 1 by total time. 1 is the total work by total time is equal to 4 by 90, which means total time equal to 90 by 4. Together they can complete the work in 90 by 4 days. If you are not able to understand, no problem, please watch again. A can do a work in 6 days, B can do in 8 days. They took the work for 3,200 rupees. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. So how much is to be paid to C? In problems like this, the work done is directly proportional to the wage. Given that A can do a work in 6 days and B in 8 days. They undertook the job for rupees 3,200. With the help of C, they can complete the work in 3 days. So A plus B plus C, together they can do the work in 3 days. So 1 by 3. A took 6 days, which is 1 by 6, and for B it is 1 by 8. Substituting A and B, we will get C. Is 3 by 18 minus 1 by 8, cancelling 3 and 18. So we will get 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8, so which is equal to 8 minus 6 by 8 into 6, 48, is equal to 2 by 48, cancelling we will get 1 by 24. Therefore C equal to 1 by 24, which means C is taking 24 days to complete the work. But A, B and C, together they completed the work in 3 days. We should split the wages accordingly. Calculating C's wage, so C worked for 3 days, so 3 into, he took 24 days to complete the total work. 3 into 1 by 24 into 3,200. So cancelling 3, 24 and 3,200, we will get 400, which is C's wage. So he should be paid rupees 400 for the work done in 3 days. If you are not able to understand, no problem, please watch again. Do like, share and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video.